everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. So from past few days we were working with Python projects, and in this video we are going to share with you all our very first Python project, which is YouTube video downloader. This project is totally beginner friendly and makes wide use of pafy methods and attributes. So let's see what is pafy in short. Pafy is a Python library that allows you to download YouTube content and retrieve its metadata. This library consists of various objects and attributes. So what is pafy object? Pafy object is an object that contains all the information about given video like view count, author, duration, etc. etc. And there are two main objects in pafy library. One is pafy object, second is stream object. If you want to read more about pafy, you can go and check the documentation provided on official website. And now to start with the coding, you'll first need to install pafy library into your device, for which here I am in command prompt, and you'll need to give command pip install pafy, and this will install the pafy library into your device. So here I'm done with installation. Now I'm going in PyCharm and let's create a project. So after clicking on the file, you'll need to click on create new project, and you have to specify the path for this project. So here I'm specifying it as desktop / I'll write the project name, and once you are done with specifying path, you'll need to hit the create button. So here I'm specifying project name as YouTube video downloader, and then I'll click on create. Now here a new project has been created, and then you have to right click on the same project, and then you have to create a Python file. So here I'll right click on this project and I'll create a Python file. Then you have to give the file name with .py extension, which is the extension for Python files. And here I have created main.python, that is main.py. Now let's start with the coding. And the first thing that you need to do here is import pafy, or else your code will be useless. So here I'm going to write import pafy. And now we are free to use methods and attributes of pafy library. So after importing pafy, the next important step is we are going to accept the YouTube video link from the user, for which here I have created variable URL, and this is going to store input entered by the user, and it is going to be the link for the video that user wants to download. So here I'm writing something like enter the complete URL of the video, and make sure that your link is not broken, or else you'll face issues while downloading it. Now the next important step is, and most important step I should say, is creating pafy object. So here I'm creating object named video, and it is created using new keyword. So I'm writing pafy.new, and now we are going to pass the video link to this object. So whatever properties, methods, attributes are present in pafy will be applied on this URL. And now we are going to display the list of streams available for this YouTube video. So I'm creating variable called stream, and I'm using video because it stores the URL, and I'm going to write .streams. So this will return the list of streams available for this particular video, and it is going to be stored in the variable streams. And now it's time to display the list, hence I'm going to use for loop, and I'm going to say for I in streams, because the list is stored in the streams, and then I'm going to print this I. This step is optional. If you don't want to display the streams, you can totally skip these two lines, which says streams is equals to video.streams and this for loop. And now we are going to get the best resolution for our video, for which we are going to use getBest method. This is the pafy method, and here I'm creating variable called best, and then I'm applying getBest method. So this method will return the best available resolution for this particular video, and it will be stored in the best variable. And now it's time to display the best resolution. So I'm going to write print best. And now we are at the final step where we are going to download this best resolution available. So here I'm going to write best.download. This is again pafy method, which is used to download the YouTube video. We are using best here because the best quality of the video is stored in variable best because of getBest method. So after downloading the video, I want to print the message that video is downloaded successfully, hence I'm writing print video downloaded successfully, and we are done with our code here. And this is all about the code. Now it's time to check the output. So here I am writing video completed successfully, and let's save this code. And we will check if it works and how it works. Now let's execute this program. And as we are working in PyCharm, we need to right click on the program and click on run. And now I have to enter YouTube video link here. So in the YouTube, I have this video called 5 books to read this summer. I'm going to copy its link and paste it in PyCharm here. And after pasting, this should return me the streams available for this video. And here you can see there are 3 streams. First 2 are the streams available and the third one is the best stream. And now video is being downloaded, and once it is downloaded, we'll get a confirmation message. So it may take few minutes to few seconds depending upon the internet connectivity. And here it says video downloaded successfully. So let's check the video. So here is my path for the YouTube video downloaded. So on the desktop, I have folder called YouTube video downloader, and there is the video 5 books to read this summer. So this is our final output. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section below.